Imagine this. You're sitting down to enjoy your day when suddenly your computer crashes. Or worse, your smartphone slips out of your hand, hitting the floor and shattering the screen. Your heart sinks as you think about all those photos, videos, and important documents. But what if I told you that you could prevent this nightmare? That's where GotBackUp comes in. With GotBackUp, you get a whopping 6 terabytes of storage for less than $10 a month. That's right, 6 terabytes for the price of a couple of coffees. And the beauty of it? You can share this storage with up to 6 people. Perfect for families or small teams who want to keep everything in one safe place. Sharing files and folders has never been easier or more secure. Only those you trust can access them thanks to our secure sharing options. It's your data, you should control who sees it. And GotBackUp isn't just storage, it's your peace of mind. With full computer backups and a year of file versions, you can recover your data and be back up and running in no time. We take your data security seriously. With military-grade AES 256 encryption, your data is as secure as it can be. We don't just store your data, we protect it like it's our own. And GotBackUp offers you 3 times the value for your money than the big companies. Why settle for less when you can have more? And here's the best part. You can try GotBackUp for 7 days absolutely free. Discover the difference of having your digital life backed up and secure. So, secure your digital world today with GotBackUp. Because your memories, your work, and your life deserve the best data protection.